Okay, hello everyone. Right now you can see with my new project that I assembled already or set up already with the with the drum, and right now you can see here with the valve check for closing and open during the process of our project. And here we call the end of the output pipe. The end of the output pipe is bigger than the same size to the input pipe with the 34mm size, right? Like this. And this one from over there here until here I use with the 60mm pipe. Okay, right now how does it work? How does it process? How the water flow? Water come out? Okay, I will show you like this. Right? It's not strong, right? Because not strong like this. Right? I close it. Why not strong? Because I don't use the electricity, just use the drum pressure to suck the water from the depth well over there. Right? No use the electricity because we don't spend the electricity fee, just spend little money to buy some materialized pipe, drum, and then set up, can use forever. Okay, then I close, open it. Okay, let's go the material that I use to set up, to install this type of project. And here you can see the standing pipe that we call as air pressure. Air pressure is very important that we can stuck the air when it comes back from the end of the pipe. Make sure it's not cannot go into this main drum, right? And then we make the pressure, it can push or stop it back, push it back to the end of the pipe. Make sure it cannot go into this drum because you have any ear or any ear going to this main drum, our project cannot successfully fail, right? Another way I use this metal drum because it's very solid. It's very solid, right? It is not easy to deform. But you have to remember when you follow or set up this kind of project, you have to use the kind of the metal drum. Don't use the please don't use the plastic drum. Plastic drum because it's very easy, it's very soft, easy to deform, right? Use the our drum tank, it deform. Our project cannot success, cannot suck the water, cannot make pressure to suck the water from this deep well here. Because this well deep well around 7 or 8 meter deep, so it needs a strong pressure from this main drum to suck or to pull the water from this well, right? And here we call the output pipe that I just told already with the 60mm pipe. And otherwise, this one we call the output pipe. And here we call a valve check for filling the water to this main drum. Before we process our project, we have to fill the water to this main drum around 90 or until it full. Because when we open the end of the pipe, this drum will make the pressure to suck the water. And otherwise, you can see that we call input pipe. I just use with a small one with a 34mm size. Same size to the end of the output pipe because it's collinear. If the input pipe small, output pipe big, input pipe big, small, is not the same size, our project cannot success, cannot suck the water from this deep well because it needs a strong pressure to suck the water. Okay, and otherwise, the last and least, right now I would like to say thank you so much that you spend the value time to see my explanation, my project, my video today. Hope see you in the video. If you want to share, please share your friend or family or other people if they want to see my project like this. This kind of project don't use the electricity, just use the pressure to suck the water. So it's very important for the people live in the countryside, in your live in the countryside, in your community, in your village is very important, especially the place without electricity. Thank you so much.